ke School Ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya hapdeng ke jingipu iping mentakasngi ke arp nyotrik nailar kelala ban PYNKUP BUROM yang kumbashi hajaran rus pa live khundai ngut ke SAMLA PULE ke bala pendep ke jing PULE ba pero nak ke School Ba bakentup ikat nyungut ke scholars ke bala pendep ke PhD bat kendai spa rengut ke bala pendep ke postgraduate degrees bat nyu spa kan rengut ke bala pendep ke undergraduate degrees hagate ke sngila PYNKUP BUROM kerpangru yu Zubin Guard nak jela Assam bat yu balu majau nak jela Meghalaya daga kerdan Doctor of Literature halor usunyang benhei bakila kentiu shibun kaput ketam bat kerwai ke siau la sakhiru akate ke singi daga jinolang Mahabul Huk Chancellor juga USTM Professor Ved Prakash former chairman UGC bat kiwi ki kraw perkhat
knowledge beyond the sea of wisdom. Always remember to live life responsibly. Also, when life becomes too real, take a little time to create. Thank you.
In less than 22 years, CID has transcended this humble beginning. It now encompasses 2 CBSE affiliate senior secondary schools, 1 women's college, engineering college, BEd college, 2 pharmacy colleges, an Ayurvedic college, a business school and a law college, and 1 this distinguished university where we gathered to celebrate today. With a student enrollment of exceeding 12,000 and dedicated workforce of over 1,600 individuals who wholeheartedly contribute as a partners in our mission, Yearn's journey is one of the inspiration and growth. Today we stand with immense happiness that USTM has achieved the remarkable distinction of being the first private university from Northeast to receive grade A from the NGUT. Additionally, our university has earned a position among the top 200 universities in India as per NIRF ranking consecutively for last 3 years. These remarkable accomplishments are a testimony to the sincere dedication of our entire university community over the past few years, culminating in this inspiring recognition. Our path to excellence is guided by well-defined milestones in our journey to shape USTM an institute of eminence by 2026. By 2026, we aim to elevate USTM into one of the nation's premier universities. But recently, we found the people calling from all over the world. They are calling either them. Before 26, we are becoming world-class institutions. Because this university sometimes drain water. And now, we are trying to come up with the water research center at this university. We express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the government of Meghalaya for enacting the legislation in 2008, paving the way for the foundation of USTM. I must recall the contribution of our beloved late PSRNA, and you are all knowing the tribute we are trying to give that our upcoming medical college is coming in the name of late P.S. Sharma. The former Chief Minister who has instrumental and Dr. late Dr. Roy, who the enactment has been made when they were the Chief Minister. We want to fulfill the expectation of the government of Meghalaya and try to make it a global destination for teaching, learning and research. My dear students, as you stand on the brink of a new chapter, it is your dedication and inspiration that shape the identity and potential of our university. You are the principal spirit behind USTM. The degrees you earn are not mere certificate. They are the key that unlock the vast realm of knowledge and possibilities.